Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a quick and easy task that's perfect for sprucing up your Instagram in 2025, changing your profile picture. Whether you're updating your look for the new year or just want to refresh your feed, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Instagram app installed on your phone. This ensures you get the most up-to-date features for 2025. Once you're all set, open the app and log in to your account if you haven't already. Now, head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. It's that little picture of you or your current avatar. Once you're on your profile page, look for your profile picture. It's usually front and center. Tap on it to open the edit options. You'll see a few choices pop up, like Edit Profile Picture or something similar. Go ahead and select that. Instagram might prompt you to choose a photo from your gallery, take a new one with your camera, or even use AI-enhanced options if they're available in 2025. Pick the one you want. For example, select a photo from your gallery. After selecting your image, you'll have the chance to crop it, add filters, or adjust it to fit Instagram's circular frame perfectly. Take a moment to make it look just right. Remember, your profile pic is the first thing people see. Once you're happy with your edits, hit the Save or Confirm button. Instagram will process it quickly, and voila, your new profile picture is live. It might take a second to update across the app, but you're good to go. And that's it, folks. Changing your profile picture on Instagram in 2025 is as straightforward as that. If you run into any issues, double-check your app settings or reach out to Instagram support. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tech tutorials. See you in the next one.